Ganas is an extensible Web3 wallet and IDE built by volunteers for the Cosmos and EVM multi-chain ecosystem. Ganas is available on both mobile and web, and you can use the web platform as an extension of your mobile wallet. Let's fill in the form for the Mythos custom chain. This is an EVM chain, so we will select EIP155, mainnet, and we will also add the JSON RPC endpoint. The currency has 18 decimals, so the base currency has an exponent of 0 and the main symbol has an exponent of 18. So now from the app we can click on the submit button to add this chain to our Ganas mobile app. When we do this, we get a notification in the Ganas mobile wallet to add the chain, and we can see all the chain data that we have submitted. And we will accept this. So the chain has been added, and now from the app we can click on this button to change our default mobile chain wallet. But right now, if we go to chosen identity to choose identity, we will see that we are on the Goerli testnet. So let's switch the chain to Mythos by clicking this button. We again are prompted and we see the request to switch the chain from Goerli to the new Mythos chain, and we accept. And now if we go again to choose identity, we see that Mythos is the new default chain. You can find this dApp for custom chains in both Ganas Mobile and Ganas Web in the menu under Web3, Add Custom Chain. This is part of the Ganas Identity Sync, where you can keep sharded profiles and sync between Ganas Mobile and Ganas Web using Ganas X, and where you can have custom chains, dApps, and profiles for your Web3 activities. You are welcome to come and taste the future on web, iOS, and Android, and join our Discord channel.